Dear brothers, we are going to read degree first year Sanskrit, semester 1. From that book, the fourth lesson we are going to read. That is, Vivekta Pushpaka Karandakaha. Pushpakarandaha. That is, Ravi Sadasivamurthy, the doctor Ravi Sadasivamurthy is the poet. Moolagrandham Vivekta Pushpakarandaha. Dr. Ravi Sadasivamurthy is a modern Sanskrit poet and critic, and also is working as a reader in the Rashtriya Samskrita Vidyapith, Tirupati. His native place is East Godavari district. He is the author of Sri Jagannatha Shastri. Shastra Manjari Sri Venkateswara Prabhata Stotra Manjari, and also Andhra Ardhanariswara Vilasa is also written by him, and also Sri Ramanuja Vijayam, and also written by him Agniputra, Manonmani, etc. books are written by him. He translated into Sanskrit Dr. Ral Bandi Kavita Prasadas. Antari Pulabutta, a collection of poems in Telugu. A Pulabutta is there named. From that he collected every stories, poems. In Telugu, those modern poems are a new technique in Sanskrit. The present lesson is a selection from Vivekta Pushpaka Karanda. This is the story for the poems. We are now beginning the lesson. Satkavitva patanena kadirava gamyate utkrishta kavitva lokanena lokona gamyate. This is a prose order poem. By reading good poetry, one can understand what a poet is. By studying great poetry, one can understand the world. By studying the great poetry, one can understand the world. So, the poetry is very good for reading. What a man you are. You come here. Hello. Satyam Shaktiman Nisyabdam Asatyam Durbalam Mahan Shabdaha. This is truth is powerful, silence, untruth is weak noise. Untruth is weak noise. Truth is powerful, silence. So it is great. That is also asaha आनंद जनयति. आसहा आनंद जनयति. नेत्रांबु ज्ञानम यच्छति. नेत्रांबु ज्ञानम यच्छति. Here a smile causes happiness. A tear bestows wisdom. So the difference is there in between the silence and the tear. Bestows. Now, अल्पत्वं बीजं वृक्षमकरोत् इति मृदे सहस्राणि बीजपुरस्काराणि यच्छति वृक्षः. That is, the tree presents 1,000 gifts of seeds to the earth because the earth has turned a small seed into a tree. A small seed became as a tree. But the tree presents thousands of gifts of seeds. One tree, so many seeds are given by the tree. But one seed became as a tree. So many trees are become from one to growth, so many. छायायां यदि त्वं तिष्ठसि वृक्षस्य वसन्तोऽसौ यद्य पसरसि तस्मासौ शिशिरः. Here a difference between the two. Chaya and the Sisira. If you stand under the shade of if is spring for the tree, it is spring for the tree. If you stand under the shade, it is spring for the tree. If you move away, it is the fall for it. When the spring is coming, the tree is giving the shadow to the standing and the full air of cool. But if you are when you are not able to stand there, that is the fall for it. It is not the spring, it is fall. So we are not able to stand there. So it is the season and unseason are going through this. And also यदा तत्क्षण प्रसविनी माता स्वनवशिशिरं शिशुं पारवस्यते सेक्षते तथा स्वीयं नवपद्यं पुनः पुनः पठति कविः. यदा तत्क्षण प्रसवीनी माता स्वनवशिशुं पारवस्यते सेक्षते कदा स्वीयं नवपद्यं पुनः पुनः पठति कविः. Here is just as the newly delivered mother fondly looks at the just born baby, so does a poet read again and again this new poem. When the poet is going write a poem, is the first poem always is reading and reading, as like the just the mother newly delivered giving to the baby she is looking at that baby again and again, because of a love is there, a blessed love is going through that mother to the baby. From the baby she is giving the happiness, as like the poet also taking the happiness from the poem what is written by him in the first time. Okay, so he is going to read and read. The memory is going there. स्वप्नः सूर्यस्य विषये वाक्पच्मयो सर्वदा अरुणारुणसंवाद एव. The sun rising and setting 2 times, in the first morning, the second in the evening. But what happened there? It is always a red hot argument over the sun between the east and the west. 2 times it is giving the redness. When the sun is rising, the color is red. When the sun is setting in the west, the color is also red. But here is no heat, there is also no heat. But the middle time, it is giving the very hot. You are not able to bear. Means red and red, reddish. It implies a heated argument. And also, swapnaha nidra paraspara pranaya patitau vivaha samantara meva jagritau. Here is also a difference between 2 kinds, dream and the work of after marriage. Both are different. Dream and sleep fell in love with each other. What is there? A dream and sleep fell in love with each other. They work the work of after marriage only. Okay. Those who are going to sleep, they are having the dreams in the sleeping. They are not, when the dreams are coming, they are not awoke. But when they are awoke after marriage, they are awoke. They are not sleep. Always fell in love and working something. Okay? Okay. लोकः पतिच्छा समधर्मिणा स्वपेक्षालाभाय bahuda prasamsanti. Here also a difference between two, the world and the husband are alike. Both praise for their selfish interest. A selfishness is going through the world and as the husband also. Always they are wanting their selfishness. The world is also always wanting the selfishness, and also husband also liking the selfishness. Here is both are equal. They are always wanting their selfishness. They are working for that only. They are not thinking about others. They are not going to help to the others. They are not stand before the others. They are not calling the others. Always they are wanting only their selfishness and thinking about only them. Yes, okay. Afterwards, क्रीडा द्रव्ये पुत्रास्तक्ता रागस्पर्शे भार्यासक्ता माता पित्रोः स्नेहासक्ति न कोऽपि लोके मय्यासक्तः. Here a difference. The children are interested in toys. Always they are going to play with the toys. They are wanting the toys. But the wife desires a touch-filled the love. The wife always wanting the touch of the husband, of the love. The parents want affection. None in the world is interested in me. They are always wanting. The parents are going to want affections. None in the world is interested in me. As like here, there is no interest about me in the world. There are always about the poet and the poems written by the poet, no interest for all the persons. The poet is writing everything, but all the people are not interesting. They are going to read them. They are not giving the respect for that poems. Always they are thinking only the selfishness only. So always they are going to worldly interests. मधुपरी प्रवहतः कालसङ्गीतस्य क्षणैः होराभिच्छा नवरोधं मा कल्पय. A floating is going. Don't interrupt with minutes and hours. The music of time that flows over me. The music of time that flows over me, don't interrupt with minutes and hours, is saying. And also, Pakfafalani lokaya datva apakvani rakshati swajanani Gurujanani. That is, the tree mother gives the rip fruit to the world, and guards the unripe ones. The tree is always giving the rip fruits to the others, but not unripe fruits. She is not given, but it is keeping on him. Guards, that is guards. Keeping means guards the unripe ones. Tamomaya nishanamupari yavataha prakasasya puranenapi amavasyasyayi amavasyayaha nijavarnaha bahuha na prakasyate. Here, even after filling the dark nights with lots of light, the true color of the new moon day is not revealed. If that means even after filling the dark nights with a lot of lights, a full moon is giving the light. But another way, the true color of the new moon day is not revealed. Amavasya, that is Amavasya, moon day, that is new moon day. Color is very dark. The moon day, non-moon day, is very black, revealed the black color. So, Satvasi Anishtavarneshu Shakrasapaha Sundaraha eva Jivitamapi Tadaiva. But there is rainbow. In that rainbow, so many colors are there. 7 colors are there, not many. 7 colors are there in the rainbow, but beautiful. It is very beautiful, even with underside colors. Life also is like that only. when the man going to life with his own activities is very colorful with the happiness. That is, we may not like all the colors of the rainbow. We may not like all the colors. We are not having all the colors, but as like the rainbow. Still the rainbow is beautiful, but the rainbow is very beautiful. So many colors are not there, but the rainbow is very beautiful. With only the 7 colors are going in that. Similarly, life may not give in happiness only. It may not give us happiness only, still the life is beautiful. Is there happiness is there or not? We are really going to started your life very beautifully. Okay, so life is beautiful, but it is colorful or not colorful. Life is great. It is the colorful, it is giving the happiness and the pleasure. Very simply we are going to live in that world. And also, Nadihi društva samudropi pravahana michyati tadaiva sadhya samudraiva vistarane pravarditu michanti. Nadihi društva samudropi pravahana michyati tadaiva sadhya samudraiva vistarane pravarditu michanti. Here a difference is going between the river and the ocean. But thinkings are going by looking. When the ocean is looking at the river, she is thinking as to flow as like the river, but not able to flow. But the river is always flowing. The ocean wants to flow on seeing the rivers. When they are seeing the rivers, they are wanting also to flow. But the rivers want to swell and increase in seeing the ocean. When the rivers are steering, they are not looking at they are looking at the ocean. They are thinking also to expand a very, very big. They are thinking as like want to swell and increase on seeing the river, ocean. This is the lesson is over now. By okay.